Not only have they just publicly revealed in court filings the text messages between the two surviving roommates, the court has also released the transcript of the Frenzied 911 call. In the case at bar, most of the declarations made were present sense impressions. Hunter Johnson located the unresponsive body of Xana Kernodle and informed Bethany Funk and Dylan Mortensen to call 911. EA was present at the time. All declarants personally perceived the event, i.e. Kernodle unresponsive. The majority of the decisions were describing to dispatcher Carolina Calvin what they were perceiving. Those statements relate to Kernodle being passed out and not waking up. The declarations were made immediately after Hunter Johnson discovered Kernodle's body. Some declarations made would also be considered excited utterances. Those statements include, "Oh, and they saw some man in the house last night," as well as the heavy breathing and crying that can be heard throughout the call. The declarants were responding to a startling occasion, which was the discovery of unresponsive roommate. The statement regarding a person being in the home is a direct response to why Kernodle might be passed out. All statements are made while the declarants are processing what is happening and were made before an opportunity to reflect and fabricate why Kernodle is unconscious. Clearly, the statements of Bethany Funk, Dylan Mortensen, EA Hunter Johnson, and the dispatcher Carolina Calvin fall within the hearsay rule exception, with the transcript as following. 911 location of emergency. Hi, something is happening. Something happened in our home. We don't know what. We have. What is the address of the emergency? 1122, no don't. What is the rest of the address? Oh, Kings Road. Okay, and is that a house or an apartment? It's a house. Can you repeat the address to make sure that I've got it right? I'll talk to you guys. We live in the right, so we're next to them. I need someone to repeat the address for verification. The address, 1122 King Road. They then go out to give their phone number, then goes as following, okay, and tell me exactly what's going on. One of our roommates who's passed out and she was drunk last night and she's not waking up. No, we saw. Okay. Oh, and they saw some man in their house last night. Yeah. Hi. And are you with the patient? Okay, I need someone to keep the phone. Stop passing it around. Can I just tell you what happened pretty much? What is going on currently is someone passed out right now. I don't really know, but pretty much at 4 a.m, okay, I need to know what's going on right now if someone is passed out. Can you find that out? Yeah, I'll come on, we gotta go check, but we have to. Is she passed out? She's passed out, what's wrong? Dispatching Moscow Law Ambulance 4, she's not waking up. Unconsciousness 1122 King Road, 70 is en route. Okay, one moment, I'm getting help started that way. Okay, maybe unintelligible 1122 King Road, all ambulance respond for unconsciousness 1122 King Road. I copy unintelligible 58 multiple RPs on the phone advised saying the roommate on the scene is passed out and is not waking up. Believes she got drunk last night and unintelligible about a male being in the room with them. Unintelligible being around. That one I copy about 20-year-old female, unconsciousness trying to get further. Obviously then they just go on to state about their age. Okay, hello, okay, I need someone to stop passing the phone around because I've talked to 4 different people. Okay, sorry, they've just gave me the phone. Is she breathing? Hello? Is she breathing? No. Okay. Unintelligible en route. Bethany or Dylan, I need you to talking to them, okay? I can't talk to them, I need you to talk to them. Okay, hello? Okay, I have already sent the ambulance and law enforcement, stay on the line. Okay. If there is a defibrillator available, send someone to get it now and tell me when you have it. Units responding, RPs advising. The patient is not conscious, not breathing. Okay, if there's a defibrillator available, send someone to get it now and tell me when you have it. We don't have one. Unconsciousness, not breathing, do you have a defibrillator? Yes, we have one. But are you talking to the officer? Yes. Okay, I'm going to let you go since he's there with you and can help you. Okay, thank you, bye. Okay, Moscow 46 out, copy. 13-1, I think we have a homicide. Moscow engine 20 is en route. So, done a few videos on this before of what I believe potentially happened when they were on that 911 call. Or just moments prior to them being on the 911 call. With it being Xana that's found unconscious, I kind of believe that we've already been given the detail as to why it's Xana that's found and not necessarily Ethan and Kaylee and Maddie. which would of course be this ladder right here. So was an individual able to climb up the ladder and view Xana Kernodle's body through that window? And that's why they couldn't really make sense of if she was or wasn't conscious and the severity of the attack in which took place, because of the fact that they were potentially viewing this through the mind's eye of one individual that was viewing it through this window. And the individual is relaying the information to them without them having to go into that home. As you can quite literally kind of hear the fear in that transcript when they're stating, no, we have to check, we have to check. Clearly someone is stating that they're far too scared to. Again though, there's quite a lot of stuff and moving pieces that is currently going on right now in the Idaho case. And it does need a bit of time of consumption and kind of digestion in order to be able to relate some of the information that we're learning, because there is quite literally so much of it right now. So be sure to drop a like and follow as we begin to break this down bit by bit.